Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I knew you would laugh. Today is such a special day. We're out on the boat. It's the 4th of July. I'm feeling really excited to go on the boat, but I would like to hear how everybody else on the boat feels. So I'm gonna pass the phone around and let my friends introduce themselves and say a little bit about them, their current experience.
What's up? It's your girl Sarah. Gonna pop some rosé, gonna have a good time.
Yeah, we're gonna pop some rosé.
Gonna just have an absolute laugh. We've got our friends in the parallel vehicle.
Guess.
Hi, I'm
Screw, top,
Lizzy.
or cork?
I guess something I'm looking forward to is jumping in the water, maybe. That would be cool. Like where all the fish are and stuff, they're all in there.
Hello, I'm Kate, and I'm really looking forward to just catching some rays, catching some waves.
That's good.
Taking a little dip.
Hi everyone, I'm Tara. I'm excited to look at the beautiful scenery and feel the wind in my hair and to cheers with a glass of rosé.
I am the captain.
I like when she's like, I'm clean.
I'm clean. So many chemicals. I was blonde when I was a
She's
kid.
like, you stuck your gum under my reclaimed
Barnwood
barnwood coffee table.
Bitch, I don't know your life.
Down a corner store, it's just a quarter past a quarter more will get you far. It's no coincidence of it.
What did you say?
I can't go on the vlog. No. You need any help? No.
How far are you from getting to where you need to go?
Miko's Hot Chicken.
It's
We started our
here.
family restaurant. We were also raising a family.
Wow, look at that.
I'm vlogging really quick while I'm walking on this dock because it's just so funny. Lizzy and her family and all her friends are going back up to Chappaqua on the boat, but I have to get back to Manhattan, so they dropped me off on this dock, and now I'm just walking home well, not walking over here, I'm gonna walk to the subway, but I'm just like walking on this dock back home. Okay, I hope everything goes well.